Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to stake Manta Network. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser and in the search bar, you will have to type manta.network. This will land you on the official website of Manta Network, where on the homepage, you are going to see the first option of Add Manta Pacific to Metamask. So you simply need to click on this option and then you will be redirected on the next page where you will be given the option to add Manta Pacific to Metamask. If you are not able to find that option, then you will have to click on the Metamask icon, and here you will have to select the Metamask Pacific Minute. Now, in order to select it, you will have to click on this drop arrow button in the top left hand corner, and after that, among the given networks, you will have to select Manta Pacific Minute. But if you are not able to find Manta Pacific Minute over here, then you will have to click on Add Network, and then you will have to click on Add a Network manually. Now over here you need to provide the network name, new RPC URL, chain ID and currency symbol. So in order to find these details, you will have to open a new tab, and in the search bar you will have to type chainlist.org. After that, in the search bar you will have to search for Manta Pacific Minute. Here you are going to see the option of Add to Metamask. So simply need to click on Add to Metamask, and then it will automatically import all the information over here, and it will save the Manta Pacific Minute network in your Metamask wallet. Now once it is connected successfully, now is the time to import Manta token on Metamask. In order to do this, you will have to click on Metamask icon in the top, and here you will have to import token. So you need to click on import token. Here it will ask you to provide the token contract address. So in order to find the Manta token contract address, you need to open a new tab, and here you will have to type BSC scan. Once you are on BSC scan, you can use this search bar in the top in order to find Manta token network, and once you have found it, you will be landed on this type of page. Now over here in the other info, you are going to see the token contract address. So simply need to tap on this copy button in order to copy it, and after that you will have to click on this MetaMask icon again, and then again click on import token. Now you will have to paste the address that we have just copied previously, and it will automatically take the token symbol as well as the token decimal. But if it doesn't take it, then you can add Manta over here, and in the decimal you will have to type 18, and then you need to press next. Then you need to click on the import button, and this way Manta token will be imported in your account. Now once both of these steps are done, you will have to come to manta.network, and then you will have to click on bridge to Atlantic. Afterwards, you will be redirected on this page where you will have to convert from Manta Pacific to Manta Atlantic. In order to do this, you first have to connect your wallet. So you will have to click on connect wallet, and then you will have to connect your MetaMask wallet with it. After that, you will have to start the staking process. So for that, you will have to click on staking, and then you will be redirected on this staking page. Now over here, you will notice that here is the option of connecting the Polkadot network. It is because the Manta Atlantic network is used with the help of Polkadot wallet. So you will have to download and install this Talisman wallet in your PC, and after that you just have to create your account with it, and you just have to connect it over here. Then in the connect wallet in the top, you just have to connect your MetaMask wallet with it. After that, you are going to see your Manta coins in this section. So you simply need to click on start staking, and after that you just have to initiate your staking process. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.